going on, everybody? Mike McIntyre here, back from All Things Sports, bringing you another unboxing video today. I'm going to call this one Unboxing and First Look. I have a brand new product today from Ego that I've been super excited for, and I'm going to show you what this product is all about today. Alright guys, before we begin, please hit the like button, hit the bell notification, hit the subscribe button, take care of all those three things, and watch the entire video. It does help the channel out. Let's get into this brand new first look video. This is a new product from Ego. So I'm going to do an unboxing and first look at this right here. This is their Dethatcher attachment, so I'm going to tell you what this thing is all about. But first, the reason I can go for this Dethatcher attachment is because I have this. This is the power head, if you will, or the utility head. This is part of their multi-tool system. I'm super excited about this. This was a great tool purchase in my opinion. I bought it. This one I bought as the kit. So it comes with the multi-head, it came with a battery, and it came with the, if I'm not mistaken, it's 17 inches or 16 inches, don't remember, string trimmer. And the reason I like that one is because it had all the smart features that their standalone trimmers have built into this multi-tool head system, which I think is a great alternative. So the string trimmer, I did an unboxing of that video. You guys can go check it out. This is, like I said, the multi-head system. So the reason this is so great is because once you click a battery in, now you can purchase these attachments and you have multiple tools built into the same power system. So you can get like bristle brushes, rubber brushes, you can get snow shovels, you can get pull saws, hedge trimmers, all kinds of stuff, all built in to this one unique system. So I'm really happy with that. I'll just put the smart head down for now. It's got the carbon shaft and all of the fancy features. I don't have the nicest front lawn, I will admit that, but it's always something that I'm looking at improving. It does need some new soil, it needs regrading and things like that, it needs some seed. But I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube with people that know a lot more about this stuff than me, and a dethatcher is always part of the process. So they cut their grass super short, they dethatch the lawn, get rid of all the dead material within it so that the lawn can aerate, and then they can get new nutrients and soil and all that stuff down in the ground, and it helps produce a nice fresh new lawn. So given that the dethatcher seems to be a part of everybody's process, this was something that I was super interested in because it's built on the fact that it can fit in a tool that I already have. I didn't need to go out and purchase a whole new standalone tool and have that take up space in my garage or in my shed. This is something that fits in a system that I already have. So this is Ego's relatively new. This came out within the last year. It's a 14-inch multi-head Dethatcher attachment. So let's get this unboxed and show you what's inside the box. That's all we're going to do today because I don't have time to actually give it a shot. So there it is. This is the 14-inch clearing width, obviously, of the Dethatcher. You can see that it's got all the little tines in here, and these will spring and this will spin, obviously, and grab up all that dead loose material in your lawn. It's got a little bit of a protector over here. We've got 3 different depths. It shows you how to attach it. You can adjust the depth with the lever here. That's similar to their lawnmower systems. You can see the size of the wheels here, so that's cool because it's going to roll really nicely, and this does have quite a bit of weight to it. It's quite a bit bigger than I thought from right out of the box, so that is cool. You have obviously your instructions and your warranty card and all that stuff you need to do to register the product. They give you a bolt with a couple of Allen keys, so obviously there's some assembly here. I'm going to have to attach the shaft. This end has the hole on it and there's no markings. That's how you know which end fits into the tool and which end doesn't. They do give you the bolt, as I said before. So quite simple. I'm going to take the Allen key that they provide and the small little hex bolt here, and this simply fits into the preset hole right here. So I'm going to make sure that slides in and just make sure we get the thread started and then tighten it up. There you have it. There's the shaft set. So now to attach it, I didn't show this in some of my other videos. We're just going to make sure it's super clear. So here's the power head. Obviously I don't have a battery in just for safety purposes so I don't accidentally turn the tool on. So there's a kind of a button here that you would have to press in order to make sure this fits in. So you're just going to align the gears, and the label on all the Dethatcher or any multi-head tool system, see that sticker there? This sticker has to go all the way into the button press. That's how you know that the method has been attached securely. So once I have that in all the way, I know it's in and I can attach this in. So there we have it. Now there's quite a bit of weight to it, but it's cool because it's all in one system now. So I've got the Dethatcher here attached to the power head shaft. It's really quite good. I mean, most of the weight is on the wheel, so that's good. So now I can maneuver it. I know you can't see the bottom, but it does roll really nicely here with the wheels. I've got 2 speeds on the power head system, and there's a safety on the trigger. So if I put a battery in, just to see how this thing spins up to start, we're going to be very careful, but if I start it, let's see. 14-inch clearing width, which I think looks great. All the tines are set up the way they should be. It fits into a system I already have, which is great. It's heavy. This is not something that you want to carry around, but like I said, it's not like a string trimmer where you're carrying all the weight. This is designed for the wheels to support it, so you're really just going to be pushing this across your lawn. The other thing is, I actually tend to use it. The multi-head and the string trimmer came with a shoulder strap that you can attach on here. I use it when I use the string trimmer, and this is another situation where you're probably going to want to use it because you're going to have all the weight strapped around your shoulder, and the weight is being carried again by the strap, and that way you can just use your hands to push this across your lawn. My lawn at the moment is quite uneven, so I can imagine this will be a little bit difficult at times. It's going to be a little bit bumpy, so we're going to see how it works, but I'm really looking forward to using this and clearing out the lawn and getting it in nice tip-top shape where it's something we can use and enjoy throughout the summer season. So that's my first look and unboxing at this thing. I'm going to be back with a video shortly to show you how it actually performs, and if you guys have any questions, leave those down below in the comment section. I always get an answer out to you. But until then, hit the subscribe button. I'll be back to show you how this thing actually performs. Mike McIntyre, all things sports. Sign for now. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Peace.